Hello Year 3, welcome to session 4 of our money chapter. Today for Thursday's lesson we are adding money together. We have Emma here and Emma's holding some money. And the first question says, how much money does Emma have? It's not very easy for you guys to see, but she's got a £5 and two £2 coins. So if I had a 5 and two 2s, 5, 2 more would be 7, 2 more would be, that's absolutely right. She has got £9 to spend. Now in this shop we've got a pen for £3.20, a stapler for £5 10p, and a pencil for 70 pence. And the question says, which pairs of items could Emma buy? Now that's really important. It doesn't ask you which things she could buy, it asks you which pairs of things Emma could buy. Of course, we remember that when we're talking about pairs, we mean two of something. So she could buy the pen and the pencil, or could she buy the pen and the stapler? Which groups of two could she buy? Pause me now and have a go at working out which things she could pay for. Okay, welcome back. Now then, let's have a look at what she could buy with her £9. So if she wanted to buy the pen and the pencil, now we know the pen is £3 and 20 pence and the pencil is 70. So we need to check that she could buy that with her £9. So £3 and 20, here it is, £3 and 20 and 70 pence. Now the easiest thing to do here is to keep our pounds and our pence separate so that we can add them into two totals. So we've got our £3 here already on this side, and then we're going to add the pence that we've got together, 20 from the pen and 70 from the pencil. So we can bring these coins together, 50, 20 more is 70, 20 more is 90. So that shows us the two totals, £3 and 90 pence. And here we are. The pen and the pencil costs £3 and 90 pence. So she would be able to pay for that with her £9, wouldn't she? She'd have enough. Okay, step 2 on the Let's Learn. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you, everybody. There we are. Step 2, what if she wanted to buy the stapler and the pencil? So we know the stapler is £5 with 10 pence, and we know the pencil is 70 pence. So again, we can separate the pounds and pence and add them together. Here's our 5. We can take that one and separate it. Here's our 5. And then we're going to bring our 10 pence over to join our 70 pence. So we've got our 50 and our 20 of our 70, plus 10 more would be 80. So we've got £5 and 80 pence. £5, 80 pence. Would she have enough with her £9? Yes, she would. And this shows you it written down in two columns. We're taking our we're taking our pounds here, our £5 and our pence here. Now, another way to think of this is that our pounds are our hundreds column and our pence are our ones and tens. Now, if the tens get too high, they're 80 in this one, so it's fine. They can stay in the tens column. But if our 80 got to 100, it would fall over into our 100 and we would rename it. Okay, it would become too big to fit in the tens column, so we would rename it as 100, and when we're talking about money, that would be another pound. Okay, right then, what about the pen and the stapler? Did any of you work this one out? Sorry, they seem to have gone a little bit small on my lesson today. Here we go. So the pen is £3 and 20, the stapler is £5 and 10. These were the two most expensive items. So can she afford to buy them? Let's see. Let's look at the pounds first. £5 and £3. Here we go, 5 and 3, £8. Now let's look at the pence. 20 pence and 10 pence. Here we are, 30 pence. £8 and 30 pence. £9 is enough. All right. Here is another way to show you. You could jump on the next lot of coins. So if you had £5 and 10 pence for your stapler, you could add the 20 from the pen and add the 3. So you could add them in jumps. You could say, let's clear this off so that I can show you it in another colour. You could do it like this. You could say, I know that 3 and 5 is 8, so I'm going to say it's £8 10, and I'm going to jump on another 20 for £8 30. You could do it like that. Right, next page. Okay, we're finding some totals here. We're adding some totals together. Orange juice and a lemon can for the first one. Right then, let's have a go at this one. Get my colour out again. I've got my £1. I've got my 30 pence. £1.30 for the orange. And I've got 65 pence. Now, the easiest way, I think, the most straightforward way, is to combine these two numbers. So I'm going to take my pound, because I've got no more pounds over here to add on. I've got my £1, and I'm going to go from 65, 30 more. So I'm going to add on 65 plus 30, and we can do that in jumps of 10. So it would be 75, 85, 95 if I added on 30. So I would have £1 and 95 pence. Okay, for this one, I've got my crayons. They're £7 and 90 pence and £2. Now, here's where you have to be really beady-eyed, foxes and pine martens, because you'll start to notice we've got some really important, oh, that wasn't very clear, sorry. We've got some really important things for you to notice here. This was adding on pence, so you're looking at this side. This one is adding on pounds. Don't forget, pounds is hundreds, so we're adding it on over here. Where we've already got £7, we're going to jump on 2 more. We're going to add on 2, which of course makes, oh, that was a bit of a squiffy pound sign. We're going to make 9, and we've still got 90 pence. Okay, I can write that over here. £9, because we added 2 more on, and 90 pence. There we go. Okay, question C. This one, we've got 2 lots to add. Pounds and pence for our pasta bag. Pounds and pence for our tomatoes. So to work this one out, we can write them out together. We've got £10 in our pasta and 25 pence, and we've got £7 for our tomatoes and 10 pence. So I know 10 and 7 is going to give me £17. 25 plus 10 more will give me 35 pence. Okay, we've got the same coming down here. Pounds, pence, pounds and pence. Now we've got £17 and 18 pounds, and we've got 50 pence and oh, sorry, I was reading the wrong one. £50, 50 pence and 30 pence. Okay, so we can add the pence up really quickly and easily because we know that that's going to be 80 pence. But this one, you might find a little bit harder. You might be able to do a near double if you know your double 20s or you know your double 15s. But if you're not sure, you can always do a quick column method here, or jump on a number line, or add your 10s and add your 1s, whichever strategy you find the easiest. I'm going to show you here how you could do it quickly using a column method. So if I know I've got 8 and 7 more, that's going to give me 15. 5 fits in this column. Get rid of my line. 5 fits in this column, but I've got to have my 10 being renamed because it won't fit. And then I've got 3 10s to add together. So I know I'm going to have £35 and 80 pence. Okay. For your worksheet today, it's worksheet number 4. Let's find it up for you. Here we go. This is what it looks like, and you've got some items to add together. Pay really careful attention as to whether you're adding pounds or adding pence. Be really, really careful with that one. I'll pop the answers up for you now on this page. There we go. And if you had any time for an extension, I've added in an extra item at the beginning when we did the in focus. I've added in an extra item here. Which combination of things could Emma buy now? Could she buy more? What if she bought all 4 of the items available? What about if she had £10? What could she buy? I hope you enjoy that, everybody, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.